Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to get some free things, like free. Tell me you do like free things. I know you love free things. Free things, okay? Free things during your birthday month. So I know some of you ladies, some of you lovies, you buy your beauty product from Sephora, Ulta, Mercy. I know, but you can actually buy from the brand store online or in store, and you get some birthday goodies. So you can leverage on that. My birthday was July. Yay! So yes, I did my birthday in July. I got all this for my birthday free or with just little dollars to spend. From Bath and Body Work, I got these products for free. It smells good, guys. Mm, mm. This is warm vanilla sugar. It smells real good, real good. And I got this for free. And all I had to do was buy an antibacterial and spray, which is actually very good. Thank you. From DSW Designer Shoe Warehouse, I got a discount and I bought myself this beautiful sandal. I got this package from Glow Recipe. You know Glow Recipe, go check them out. I got this box from them. See, Glow Recipe. I bought some few things and I got some products for free. From Ulta Beauty, I got this mascara for free. From Sephora, I had to buy something worth $25 because I wasn't ready to go to the store to pick it up. So online, you have to buy something worth $25, which I bought this ink, the Inkless Omega Water Cream, and I bought this Innis No Sebum powder. I got this for free. For Elf, I bought the mattifying primer and this lippy. I forgot to, yeah, Whisper Pink. And I got this for free, guys. Let's see what's inside. I got this for free. Beautiful. This is Clean Freak Daily Cleanser, and I got this melting lip balm. Thank you, Hal. There's so many stores. I'm gonna put the names so you can actually go to the store, register for the reward program, and get some free things or discount during your birthday month. I love you guys. Bye.